to make $500 per day using ClickFunnels affiliate program, the only thing you need to do is What's up, family? Your boy Maria here. Let me know below in the comments where do you come from. I would love to know. Hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube family so you don't miss out on upcoming videos how to make money online. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to make money online using ClickFunnels affiliate program, even if you are a complete beginner and don't have your own product. So obviously, I'm not making $500 every day, but for how many of you would that change your life if you can just make $500 a week, right? Or every other day, or for many people, just a month, right? It would already change your life. And so, as you can see, this is, I was promoting high ticket affiliate program that ClickFunnels was running a promotion for during March, right? And so this is $500 here, $500 plus other commission from ClickFunnels affiliate program here, $500 as well. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm gonna share with you the secret strategy, sleep commission strategy, how to make high ticket affiliate commissions even while you are sleeping. Okay, so get excited because this is going to be a good one. So all you need to do is sign up for ClickFunnels affiliate program completely for free. You go to whatsyourdreamcar.com and you will come here. You can read a little bit about ClickFunnels affiliate program. It's one of the best affiliate programs out there, and because they made it easy for beginners to get started and learn all these strategies that you can apply also for other affiliate programs afterwards. So you come here and you just create your free account. Here you put your name, last name, email, and all of that. And so you start as a 20% affiliate and you move your way up to 40%. Cool thing about this program is that when you refer 100 ClickFunnels, like people who start using ClickFunnels through your link, they will even pay you for your dream car, any car you want, right? So it's around like they will pay you at least like $500 per month. And if you refer 200, they will pay you 1,000 per month, so you can get even a better car. And they have like all kinds of front-end offers, like you can promote traffic secrets book, one funnel away challenge. But let me show you how I make that $500 in just one day. So after you sign up for the program, you go to affiliate dashboard and there is a funnel hacking secrets. Now, if you are a complete beginner and don't have this offer there, I will show you how to get that. So I've been using ClickFunnels for quite some time, so I have this offer and I was promoting it during the March. And so all I had to do is just come here, grab this link, and this is my affiliate link. And then they even give you like everything you need to become successful with it. So you have all kinds of social assets here, and they even give you like all kinds of affiliate tools and even bridge funnels, right? So this is called a bridge funnel. And so you don't have to build it from scratch. You can put it inside your account with just click of a button. And so that's what I did, right? I grabbed the funnel, and all at the bottom there is even emails. So if you want to promote ClickFunnels using email, then they even give you swipe files that you can use to promote it, right? So that's why a ClickFunnels affiliate program help so many people to succeed even as a beginners, because they give you everything, right? Not many programs do that. So I grabbed my bridge page, I did a review about the package, and I also added some this is like awesome deal. So that's why it's not that hard to convert people to purchase this product, because it's really awesome. And so you get, there is all kinds of offers. And what strategy ClickFunnels is teaching, like you need to add some bonuses. So I'm also adding some of my bonuses to help. That will increase conversion for that package, right? So I added my bonuses, affiliate secrets, my script, sales script, and the funnel mastery course. Now, if you may say like, Mario, but I don't have any bonuses, right? So what should I add? Well, you can add like one-on-one help. That's what like people want that anyways the most, right? So you offer one-on-one mentorship and you help them with anything they need if they sign up with your link. Also, if you would like to use my bonuses as your own, you can just, like, if you sign up for ClickFunnels account through my link, I will give you permission to use those. The basic package that you can start with costs like $97 per month. And if you sign up with my link that I will put below in the description, you can use my bonuses. And that will make your journey much faster to help you make those money much quicker, right? So now if you cannot afford $97 per month, then just start without bonuses. You can just deliver free value. I will show you step by step how to start promoting these offers. And you just deliver value, and then you just put that affiliate link. Even without a bridge page, you can make your first sale. And let me know below in the comments, like if you have any questions so far about this program. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And like this video if you learn something, okay? And so if you are a complete beginner, you may not have you don't have access to these high ticket offers. Like ClickFunnels made some updates, and so the best thing to get access to affiliate secrets, you need to make $1,000 in a calendar month. And there are many people teaching how to promote ClickFunnels affiliate program, but most of those already had these offers because they came earlier to this party of promoting ClickFunnels, right? And so I didn't. I came later, and I had to go through all the process that's in place right now. And so that's what I did. I started promoting One Funnel Away challenge. This is my bridge page for that challenge. And I was fortunate enough to make $2,000 in my first calendar month and become approved affiliate. And that's what you should do as well, because to become approved affiliate, you need to make at least those $1,000 in a calendar month. And so everybody get access to One Funnel Away challenge program that you can promote. So in your affiliate dashboard, you just find One Funnel Away challenge. You go to your affiliate link, you grab it, and you start promoting. And so you get $100 for every person that enrolls in the One Funnel Away challenge with your link. So they give you 100% commission. Isn't that awesome, right? Most affiliate programs give you like 30-40%. And for this one offer, ClickFunnels offers everything. You get everything, and you get swipe graphics, right? So you can use something from these graphics on your Facebook or Instagram, like whatever traffic method medium you would like to use. If you like Instagram, this can be great for Instagram, right? And if you like email, you can grab these swipe files and promote the One Funnel Away challenge via email as well. Now, one of the best ways and how I got started promoting the challenge is through Facebook. And so you come to Facebook and you search for groups. Now you can focus on a niche that you understand. Like, let's say, for example, you want to help dentists to make their business like online. So you come here and you search for dentists, right? Dentists, and you basically join all relevant groups. It doesn't have to be dentists. It can be, like real estate agents or pretty much anyone, and who can benefit from the challenge, because that challenge help anyone to like take their business or start business from scratch online, right? And you join all of these groups and you start delivering value. You do not spam your links because you will get kicked out. So you need to become a person of value. And when you deliver value to people, they will want to reciprocate, and then they will be more likely to sign up with your link. Now, if you don't know, if you just can't pick a niche, then you can join ClickFunnels groups, right? There are two, ClickFunnels Avengers or ClickFunnels Official, right? So you join ClickFunnels Avengers group and you start answering people's questions and helping them as well, right? You become the person of value, you help the community. And there are many people who, like, this is your hottest traffic, because these people already know about ClickFunnels, and many people like are joining every day one funnel away challenge, right? So all you need to do is just provide that value, show that you truly care about them, and then sign them up with your affiliate link. And so you want to join these groups, and there are people asking, like, these are one of the most valuable Facebook groups I have found, and there are people asking for help every day, right? So anytime you will need to learn some things about the program and about ClickFunnels, but anytime you know the answer to the questions, you answer the question below in the comments. You can tag the person, you can put heart here and just get that attention, and then even add them as your friend and reach out to them, create relationships, start networking with them. And this is how to become successful affiliate. Most people just spam their links all over the internet, and that's the surest way to lose and not make any commissions at all. So this is the proper way to do it, you guys. And let me know below in the comments if this is awesome or what, and if you have any questions. Also, let me know like what kind of strategy you are going to use. You like Facebook? Maybe you like Instagram. There are similar principles. You can search accordingly to hashtags and stuff like that. And so let me know below in the comments, what are you going to use? Maybe you will use emails, right? And now, because you watched this video till the end, this is not finished yet. The most exciting strategy is just coming, okay? Because you stuck with me until now. This is how basically I promote ClickFunnels using sleep commission strategy. I have a little channel. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet, right? And but I do reviews about the products that ClickFunnels has. So I do a review. As you can see, I'm reviewing funnel hacking secrets here, right? And what is funnel hacking secrets? Like, the more videos you make around that topic, the better your ranking on YouTube will be. Now, if you don't want to be on a camera, you can just record your screen without being on camera, right? And so, or you can watch my other video how to start promoting how to start create a channel without making any videos at all. You can find that video right here. Earn $100 a day on YouTube without any subscribers and recording any videos, if you're like really super shy introvert. And that's what I did. I do reviews, and then people find it because YouTube is a search engine. So they find my review and they click on it, watch it, and I put the link in there. Like, for example, here. funnel hacking secrets, right? People find it because people are looking for reviews before they purchase anything. And but below, like in the description, I have my link here, so people click on it, purchase, and I get the commission. So this is even while I'm sleeping. So this is powerful strategy, you guys. And so like the video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, so you don't miss out other videos. And let me know below in the comments if you have any questions. I would love to help you so you can make your first $100 and totally crush it. Okay, so you can become free and to just live your life the way you choose. And okay, so and now you can I want to share with you something else. I am actually preparing the step-by-step online program where I share all my tricks and secrets how you can succeed with ClickFunnels affiliate program. So I may also add it in the bottom in the description below this video. So it's not finished yet, but this is going to be really exciting. It's a system that will show you step by step everything. So in this video we just scratched the surface because I don't have enough time to share this with you in one video, but in this program there will be like step by step tutorials that like many of them that you can watch that can help you, that you can like launch your affiliate business in just 3 steps, and how you can make your first $1,000 and recurring commissions every month, like that passive income, high ticket commissions while you sleep, right? And I was thinking to give this away completely for free, but then I realized people do not appreciate things for free, right? So I need to price it. I think I will price it just for price like a cup of coffee, right? Something really symbolic, but yet still that value is exchanged, so you actually do the work and follow the program. Because I've noticed that if people don't pay anything, they just don't watch it, they don't take action, and they don't achieve any results and don't change their lives. Remember guys, I'm all about changing your lives, and so you can actually take the action and get that lifestyle and anything that you want thanks to making money online. Okay, so and this program is like not working just for me, right? So there are people, because I've been teaching this for quite some time now in other programs, and people are, and I was also helping people like one-on-one through Messenger. Here Lucas made $1,000 in just 9 days at 16 years old, right? And so, and there are multiple testimonials here that you can check out, and right, and make your first $100. And that first $100 are the most important. That's often this difference between people quitting and people having success, because when you make that first $100, that will make you believe that you can actually do it. So I will put this link once it's finished below the video as well, so you can check it out if you would like to join our family and become successful ClickFunnels affiliate. And let me know below in the comments if you have any questions about this program, so I can answer them. And hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any updates and upcoming videos. And now you can watch this other video that I've prepared for you that you are going to love. Okay, I will see you there.